Hello, everybody. I welcome all of you once again in our online session. Okay, so today we will learn about the sound of Z. So, are you all ready? Come, let's begin. So, this is the picture of Z. This is capital Z. All of you know this, right? Now let's see cursive Z. So here comes the picture. This is small z in cursive. Okay? Small z in cursive. Now, what about the sound of Z, isn't it? Okay, so the sound of Z is Z. Z. Yes, everybody repeat. Z. Z. Very good. So the sound of Z is Z. Okay, now let us see some pictures. So here comes the picture. Can you name this animal? It looks like a horse, but is this a horse? No, this is called a zebra. Very good. We can see them in jungle, right? So the zebra starts with Z. Okay? Zebra. Very good. Now the next picture. Can you tell me what number is this? Yes, this number is called 0. Very good. It comes before 1. So the 0 starts with Z. Okay? 0. Very good. Now the next picture. How many animals can we see here, students? We can see zebra, elephant, monkey, giraffe and deer, right? So where can we see all of these animals together? Yes, we can see them in a zoo, right? We can see many other animals also in a zoo, right? Have you ever visited a zoo, students? Please write down in the comment section below your answer, okay? So, the word zoo starts with Z. Z. Zoo. Very good. Now, the next picture. Do you know what is this? Do you have any idea? This is called a zip. Okay? We can see this in pants. See? Like this. And also in bags. They are called chains also. So this zip starts with Z. Zip. Very good. Now the next picture. Can you see this picture clearly? It is very small, right? It is not visible. Now if I zoom this picture, see? Now it is clearly visible. This is a picture of a ball, right? So students, when we cannot see any picture clearly because it is small, we zoom the picture to make it big and see clearly. Okay? So the word zoom starts with Z. Zoom. Very good. So let's do a quick recap. The sound of Z is Z. Very good. Z for zebra. Very good. Then what did we learn? Zoo. Very good. Then zero. Very good. Then zip. Very good. And the last thing, zoom. Very good, all of you. So that's all for today's video. Everybody keep practicing all the phonic sounds every day at your home. Okay? See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.